Hey there, it's Sarah. Are you curious about what makes you appealing to younger women? In today's video, we're diving into the specific qualities in older men that are incredibly attractive to younger women. These aren't just any traits. We're talking deep emotional stability, wisdom, and the little things that really matter. By the end of this video, you'll understand why these qualities can be more significant than just a number in age. Make sure you stick around for the bonus tip at the end of this video. It's a noteworthy trait that ties all these appealing qualities together. Don't miss it. Ready to see what makes you stand out to the younger crowd? Let's get right into it. 1. Emotional stability. Your emotional stability is a major asset. It's not about never having a bad day, but how you handle those days that makes all the difference. With your experience, you've learned to approach life's ups and downs with a cool head. This isn't just a minor perk. It's a core strength that younger women deeply appreciate. Think about the calm you bring to a situation. It's like being the steady captain of a ship in choppy waters. Younger partners find this incredibly appealing. They are looking for a relationship where they can feel secure and supported, not one where they have to navigate constant emotional turbulence. Your ability to stay composed and thoughtful, even in tough times, provides a foundation of trust and respect. It allows for growth and depth in a relationship, making conversations about challenges constructive instead of confrontational. This kind of environment is what many young women seek, a space where they feel safe and valued, where the drama is minimal and the mutual respect is palpable. Your emotional maturity doesn't just make life easier for you. It makes you a magnet for someone who values peace, stability, and wisdom. It's a trait that sets you apart and makes you particularly attractive in the eyes of someone younger, who might just be looking for the kind of reassurance and stability you offer. 2. Experience and wisdom. Your wealth of experience and the wisdom you've gathered over the years are incredibly valuable, especially in the eyes of younger women. It's not just about the stories you can share or the places you've seen. It's about the lessons you've learned along the way and how these insights can guide both your life and the relationships you cultivate. Think about how every challenge you've overcome and every success you've celebrated has built a reservoir of knowledge. You know what works and what doesn't, not through guesswork, but through real-life application. This practical knowledge is a goldmine for someone younger. In a world where many are still figuring out their paths, your clear sense of direction and understanding of life's complexities are magnetic. Moreover, your wisdom allows you to offer advice that goes beyond the superficial. You can help navigate tricky relationship dynamics with insight that only comes from years of personal experience. This isn't just about telling someone what to do. It's about guiding them to make the best decisions for themselves, which is a rare and sought-after quality. The value you bring to a relationship extends beyond companionship. It includes mentoring and guiding someone through life's challenges. Younger women often seek this kind of partnership, one where they can grow personally and professionally alongside someone who has already walked many paths they are only just beginning to tread. 3. Appreciation for the little things. One trait that stands out in older men is the genuine appreciation for the little things in life. As you've navigated through the years, you've likely come to realize that joy doesn't always come from grand gestures or monumental achievements. It's often found in the simple, quiet moments. This perspective is not only refreshing but deeply attractive, especially to younger women who are navigating a world full of complex pressures and expectations. When you express delight over a well-made cup of coffee, a serene walk in the park, or the comfort of a well-chosen book on a rainy day, it shows you're someone who values the present. This ability to cherish the moment can lead to deeper, more meaningful connections. It teaches a younger partner to find happiness in the now, rather than always reaching for the next big thing. This quality also makes everyday life with you a discovery of continual joys and shared pleasures. It's about making the most of now, not just planning for grand future events. Such an attitude can transform how a younger woman views her daily life, encouraging her to appreciate her surroundings and the small gifts each day can bring. Your appreciation for the little things can ignite a similar appreciation in others, making every shared experience richer and every ordinary moment something to look forward to. This isn't just pleasant. It's a profound way to live and love, making every ordinary day a little more extraordinary. 4. Less drama. One of the perks of having a few more years under your belt is that you're likely over the drama. Younger men might still be figuring out how to navigate relationships without unnecessary complications. But you've seen it all, and now you prefer to keep things straightforward and sincere. This no-drama approach is highly appealing, especially to younger women who are tired of the games often associated with dating their peers. Your approach to relationships is characterized by clear communication and mature handling of any issues that arise. There's no ghosting or mixed messages in your playbook. Instead, you opt for open discussions and honest expressions of feelings. This transparency fosters a secure and trusting relationship environment, making it easier for both partners to feel understood and valued. Moreover, your straightforward nature means you're not just avoiding drama. You're actively creating a peaceful, stable environment where a real connection can flourish. Younger women often find this maturity refreshing and stabilizing, a solid foundation upon which they can build a future or enjoy the present. So, while the younger crowd might still be learning the ropes, your experience allows you to cut through the noise and focus on what truly matters in relationships. It's about respect, understanding, and enjoying each other's company without the backdrop of chaos. That's something truly appealing in a world that often feels too complicated. Are you ready to turn your dating apprehensions into confidence? Our video is just the beginning. By booking a free 60-minute strategy call, you'll engage directly with experts who can help you develop a robust dating plan, understand body language, and express your best self. This personalized advice is invaluable. Check the pinned comment to find the link and reserve your session now. 5. Better listeners. A standout quality that sets you apart is your ability to really listen. It's not just about hearing the words. It's about understanding the emotions and thoughts behind them. This skill makes you a better partner, especially appealing to younger women who are looking for a deep and supportive relationship. Your listening skills mean that when you're in a conversation, you're not just waiting for your turn to speak. Instead, you're absorbing every word, considering its meaning, and responding thoughtfully. This level of attentiveness shows respect and genuine interest in what your partner has to say, which can be incredibly affirming. Plus, being a great listener opens the door to deeper connections. When someone feels truly heard, they're more likely to open up and share more freely. This can lead to a richer, more intimate bond. For younger women, who may be used to more superficial interactions with their peers, your attentive nature can be a breath of fresh air. Additionally, your ability to listen well means you're likely to pick up on subtleties that others might miss. Whether it's a slight change in tone that suggests she's upset, or a passing comment that hints at a deeper issue, your keen awareness allows you to address things that truly matter. This can prevent misunderstandings and build a foundation of trust and openness. Your listening skills are not just a passive trait, but a dynamic part of who you are as a partner. It's something that significantly enhances the quality of your relationships, making you not just a good companion, but a cherished confidant. 6. Mentorship and guidance. With the years comes a treasury of insights on navigating both personal and professional spheres, making you an excellent guide. This mentoring aspect is particularly compelling for younger women, who often are still carving out their paths and can greatly benefit from your seasoned perspectives. Your guidance isn't just about giving advice. It's about sharing life lessons that help your partner make informed decisions. Whether it's navigating career choices, managing finances, or dealing with interpersonal relationships, your input is grounded in real experiences. This is not about dictating what she should do. It's about empowering her with the wisdom to make choices that align with her own values and goals. Moreover, your mentorship helps in building her confidence. By supporting her aspirations and offering sage advice, you help to bolster her self-esteem. This support is crucial, especially in moments of doubt, providing a foundation from which she can leap towards her ambitions with greater confidence. The beauty of this guidance extends beyond practical advice. It also enhances the emotional depth of your relationship. Your support and understanding reinforce her trust in you, nurturing a bond that is as intellectually stimulating as it is emotionally fulfilling. Bonus tip: financial stability. Here's a bonus tip that might just be the cherry on top: financial stability. This isn't about flashy spending or a big bank balance, but rather the peace of mind and security that come with having your finances in order. As an older man, you likely have years of career experience, which often translates into a more stable financial situation. This financial stability is highly appealing, especially to younger women who are just starting out and may still be establishing their own financial footing. It's not that they are looking for someone to take care of them financially. Instead, they value the security and opportunities that come with financial stability, such as the ability to travel, invest in a home, or plan for future needs without undue stress. Having financial stability also means you can offer experiences that are enriching and growth-promoting. It's about being able to afford the luxury of time and choice, whether that's a weekend getaway, a gourmet dinner, or a cultural event. These experiences can add an enriching layer to a relationship, creating shared memories and deepening bonds. Moreover, this stability is often synonymous with a responsible lifestyle and forward planning, traits that are attractive in a long-term partner. It signals that you're someone who manages life with thoughtfulness and care, which can be incredibly reassuring in a partner. So now you know the qualities she loves. What's next? Discover the signs she's attracted to you. Or learn why, as an older man, you're secretly admired. Thank you for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe for more.